Today I'm doing an oil change on a 2006 Honda 400 EX. This is going to be the easiest oil change you ever have to do on an ATV. These guys are not as easy. They're a pain in the butt to do an oil change. Thankfully I did those earlier today. Here's the Honda. We're going to start on the left side. All the bolts are real easy to get to. No worry about knuckle busters on this one. Starting with the oil tank right at the base. It's a 14mm bolt. Drop that, drain it. Come back here, just underneath the shift lever, right here. It's a 12mm bolt. Pull that out, drain that. Then you're going to go to the oil filter. This is not the oil filter. Don't ask me how I know that. Oil filter's on the right side. Sits under this cover. 2 bolts. Look like this. There's a little short one and a long one. The long one goes on the right. Short one's on the left. Long one on the right. Cartridge sits in here like this. Just gonna pull that out. That's what it looks like. It says right on the cartridge which side faces out. You can see right there. If that's focusing on that or not. It says outside, faces to the outside. When you pull that cartridge, make sure you don't lose the spring. That spring's got to remain in there. Insert the new cartridge. Put the cap on. Plug the bolts on the left side. Put in 1.8 quarts. I just use Lube 10W40. It's got to be a type MA JSO T903. There it says it. Type MA JSO T903. 1.8 quarts. Or if you're Canadian, 1.7 liters. Enjoy.